بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا جاءك المنافقون قالوا نشهد إنك لرسول الله والله يعلم إنك لرسوله والله يشهد إن المنافقين لكاذبون.
When the hypocrites present themselves in your august court, O beloved, they say that we testify that indeed your respected self are certainly Allah's messenger. And Allah knows that you are His messenger, and Allah testifies that the hypocrites are definitely liars.
اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
They have made their oaths as a shield, thus prevented other people from the path of Allah. Indeed, they commit extremely evil deeds.
ذلك بأنهم آمنوا ثم كفروا فطبع على قلوبهم فهم لا يفقهون.
This is because that they accepted faith with their tongues, then disbelieved with their hearts. So a seal has been set upon their hearts. Therefore, now they do not understand anything.
وإذا رأيتهم تعجبك أجسامهم وإن يقولوا تسمع لقولهم كأنهم خشب مسندة يحسبون كل صيحة عليهم هم العدو فاحذرهم قاتلهم الله أنى يؤفكون.
And when you see them, their outward bodies would please you. And if they speak, so you would listen carefully to their speech, as if their wooden panels propped up against a wall. They think every shout is against them. They are the worst enemies, so beware of them. May Allah slay them. Where are they returning to?
وإذا قيل لهم تعالوا يستغفر لكم رسول الله لووا رؤوسهم ورأيتهم يصدون وهم مستكبرون.
And when it is said to them that come, Allah's messenger may seek forgiveness for you, so they turn their heads sideways, and you see them turn their faces away in arrogance.
سواء عليهم أستغفرت لهم أم لم تستغفر لهم لن يغفر الله لهم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين.
It is the same for them whether you seek or do not seek forgiveness for them. Allah will never forgive them. Indeed, Allah does not guide the transgressing people.
هم الذين يقولون لا تنفقوا على من عند رسول الله حتى ينفضوا ولله خزائن السماوات والأرض ولكن المنافقين لا يفقهون.
They are the ones who say, do not spend upon those who are with Allah's messenger until they become distressed, and only to Allah belong the treasures of the heavens and the earth. But the hypocrites do not have sense.
يقولون لئن رجعنا إلى المدينة ليخرجن الأعز منها الأذل ولله العزة ولرسوله وللمؤمنين ولكن المنافقين لا يعلمون.
They say, if we return to Medina, then indeed the Honorable One will soon banish the Humble One from it. Whereas honor truly belongs to Allah and to His Messenger and to the Muslims, but the hypocrites know not.
أيها الذين آمنوا لا تلهكم أموالكم ولا أولادكم عن ذكر الله ومن يفعل ذلك فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
O believers, let not your wealth or your children or anything cause you to neglect the remembrance of Allah, and whoever does this, so it is they who are in loss.
وأنفقوا مما رزقناكم من قبل أن يأتي أحدكم الموت فيقول رب لولا أخرتني إلى أجل قريب فأصدق وأكن من الصالحين.
And from what we have provided you, spend some in our path before this, that death comes upon any one of you. Then he says, O my Lord, why did you not give me respite for a little while, that I would have given charity and become of the virtuous?
وَلَن يُؤَخِّرَ اللَّهُ نَفْسًا إِذَا جَاءَ أَجَلُهَا وَاللَّهُ خَبِيرٌ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ.
And Allah will never give respite to any soul when its promise arrives, and Allah is aware of your deeds.
صدق الله العظيم.